speaker natin. So, kami yung bumubuo ng 5th Plus Unit Alpha. So, para sa opening remarks, tinatawagan natin si Ma'am Yunida Dantay, school principal.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Okay, on behalf of our principal, Ma'am Spiritis, so I want to give the welcome address. So, to our military officers, sir, from the Navy, so, yung pong ating tema ay tungkol sa insurgency in the Philippines, and we are all aware of that, right? Especially those living in Mindanao. Sino itong nasa Mindanao? Mindanao. So far, so we're so lucky because we are not in Mindanao. But actually, those people living in Mindanao are suffering so many insurgencies. No? And as a Filipino, or as a citizen of our country, we should know the real situation of our country in terms of stability in politics and in governance. So it is in time that our friends from the Philippine Army and Philippine Navy will give us some insights on what is really happening in the field in terms of insurgency in the Philippines. Then, what is the purpose of this, actually? What do you think? Why we are invited here? You are only high school students, and yet you are invited to listen and learn about this topic on insurgency. Of course, we are all responsible as a Filipino citizen, and we need to give some of our feedbacks and our comments with regards to political stability. And with this, our school as an institution, as part of the Philippine government, we need to respond to the needs of our government. And with that, we are here joining with them as an audience to what they will give us with regards to the idea about the insurgency in the Philippines. And our school is welcoming all our visitors from the military, and of course, we are all proud that we are given the chance to be here and learn about their topic for today. And are you interested with that topic? Okay, so that's all for today. I welcome you all for this affair. And in addition, I think Madam that they will give us another additional welcome.
Good morning. Our guests from the Philippine Navy and Philippine Army. Hindi ko kasi alam ito kung paano basahin. Matuto ako kaya try natin. Fireman first class builder Antonio Taban Jr. from the Philippine Navy. How do you pronounce this? And Tim Crispin Cristal Jr. from the Philippine Navy. So you have the opening and closing remarks. The other one. Now, this forum is sponsored by the Anti-Insurgency theme of this day's forum is an awareness about the infiltration of local terrorist group among our MB student sector. Now, we are very pleased this morning that we are here with us, hindi ba? Natutuwa kayo? Natutuwa tayo lahat because they have time to be with us. And for your information, there is a department memorandum. No, there is a division memorandum to this effect. They sought the permission of the division office to have this insurgency forum, and it was dated February 8. Now, I hope you will get something from this, especially so that some of you will be graduating and you will be going to other places. Hindi maganda na pagdating doon, mabibigla kayo. Anong klaseng estudyante ang makakasalamuhan nyo? Students from different places. Students all over the nation. From all over the country. Students will come from, especially if you will be in UP de La Salle, mga pinasahan nyo, Ateneo de Manila. O hindi namin pinasahan nyo. UP, diba? Hindi kami kumuha doon, kaya walang chance na pumasa din kami. Dahil doon kami sa PNU. Oh. Now, as I have said, because from experience, this is based from experience, I don't want this thing to happen to you. Ang mga estudyanteng magagaling, napapasama yan, tindat lang, tingin lang. Napapasama yan sa mga estudyanteng magagaling din. So, as I have said from experience, my daughter is a student of Philippine Normal College. From the first Science High School, it was still based at the Olongapo City National High School. A school paper writer. Lahat ng anak ko from first, second, and third. Panganay, pangalawa, pangatlo, lahat. Science High School. Olongapo City Science High School. Ano tawag natin noon doon? Sci-Hi. Sci-Hi lang ang tawag namin. Wala pa yung SF na yan. Now, my student is my firstborn was enrolled at Philippine Normal College. There were 13 sections. Ito parang kung hindi nyo maranasan kasi magulang ako. There were 13 sections of the first year. 50 students per section. Magaling ang mga anak ko, sasabihin ko sa inyo. Ang tatlong babae ko, hanggang youngest, 98, ang NCA, di pa usang NCA sa inyo. Ina na ngayon. Ang lalaki ko, ang second ko, 99. Ang youngest son ko, 99 plus, valedictorian. Pero tinanggal ko sa Sci-Hi, nasa regular. But there were more than 1,000 students. And he was the valedictorian. Now, take note, balik tayo doon sa estudyante kong anak ko. I want this, open ito. As I have said, there were 13 sections. I'm sorry makakakuha tayo ng lesson dito. There were 13 sections at 50 students per section at the Philippine Normal University. Ano siya? Pioneer ng Science High School. From the 13 sections, they formed 2 sections, a special course, BSE, SE, education kasi. Kaya kayo, huwag kayong papapilit sa magulang nyo. Ang mister ko kasi, head teacher ng OSNSS. Teacher pa lang ako. Supervisor, education supervisor for 31 years. Nag-retire lang noong kahit inyo na naabutan yun. Kasi pa sa inyo, naabutan natin yung iba. Yung elementary kayo. Mr. Elisensio that time, division supervisor for 31 years. Nag-retire lang siya 2005. Imagine, balik tayo doon sa anak ko.